Automated data preparation doesn't just start at the input process. We view it as being crucial once you have models in production so that you can collect the data that is going to those models and use that data to improve your models and even detect things like data drift. So let's take a look at how simple that is in the Clarifai platform. In this scenario, we're going to look at a model that is trained to recognize trailer trucks. And this has already been pre-trained using our platform, but we're going to create what is called a collector to collect data from that model as it's getting prediction requests into our app. And we have a lot of building blocks to build these complex workflows to handle very sophisticated ways of collecting data. In this case, we've built a random sampling model and we chose 100%. So we're going to keep all the data that this model prediction stream is seeing. We could choose to sample maybe 10%. We could even do logic like run it through a classifier and threshold the confidence scores to select only a subset of the data based on actual prediction results and pump that into our app. So we just created a sample workflow with the random sampling model, and now we're going to create a collector. And this collector takes in that workflow. That workflow only has the one model, random sampler in it. It's a very simple workflow. We also define a key, an API key, so that our collector can post the inputs into our app on our behalf. So it's the exact same process as if you did it yourself. And then finally, we tell it what model to listen on. And we pick the trailer truck model. And so now you can see in our grid, these are the current results. But after a few predictions, when we refresh, we see that that model that was serving real traffic just collected 4 new examples into our app. So imagine you have a stream of predictions on live traffic all day long, collecting more data into your app by very specific criteria. And then you can use that data to improve future versions of your model or inspect it to see if it's drifting over time. That's the power of collectors in the Clarifai platform.